Hi. In this video I'm going to look at the long-term effects of immersion cooling on Bitcoin miners. 2 years ago I created these two tanks with one Bitcoin miner and one Litecoin miner. They are connected via USB to a Raspberry Pi. It's from Zeusminer. And yeah, I forgot about it, and now I'm having a look what has happened, because there were 2 years in this liquid. This liquid is silicon oil, and so we want to see what are the long-term effects. Is it still working? Are some things broken? So let's have a look.
So we see here little white stuff on the inside, so maybe that's thermal paste, but the chips itself look quite good. I can't see anything which is not good. So I can't see anything bad here. So to say it again, these were not powered over the 2 years, so the liquid was not hot. So maybe there are different results if the liquid is hot. This is the other miner. Same results here. I can't see that anything is broken. Also the USB connectors were inside of the liquid all the time. Also look good. There's no dirt, no soft other materials in the liquid.
So it looks good, so we can plug it in. So this is how it looks like when we plug it in. We have the two Raspberries, and the Bitcoin miner has a red light here and a red light in the back, and the Litecoin miner has a blue light glowing here. And we've seen roughly 5 watts for each of the Raspberries. We got 30 watt for the Litecoin miner and 40 watt for the Bitcoin miner. So in total 80 watt. And now it seems to be running. So we will check the web interface. So let's check the web interface. Obviously I installed the Anminer system. And if we now check the Litecoin miner, we see that it should have 1.4 megahash and should take 45 watt. I think I downclocked it a little bit and disconnected the fan. So it's okay to have 30 watt, I think. If we log into the system, we see a lot of spinning circles. I think it's because some kind of missing internet connection, because the software is so old. But in the background we can see this graph here, which tells us that there are accepted shares and that the hash rate goes around 1 megahash. And we can see the log of the miner here, and we can see that there are accepted shares. And so I think this miner is working pretty good. Just for curiosity, we can check now how much profit we make with this. If we have 1 megahash, we are losing $90 a year with German electricity costs, because we are just earning around $1 per year in Litecoin. Not so good. And the Bitcoin miner is an Anminer. it goes up to 63 gigahash, I think, with 60 watt. It's also a little bit downclocked. And we can see accepted shares and a hash rate around 40 gigahash. And we can also see that we have accepted shares here, here. So pretty good, I think. They are still working. They are now trying to find a solar block. We will see if this happens, but it will take a very long time. And if we are now having 40 gigahash, we are losing with this device $120 a year, and the pure Bitcoin income is around $4 a year. Yeah. So my summary is: immersion cooling with silicon oil does work, and even after 2 years the electronics don't get damaged by this. But a big disadvantage is, of course, it's not so easy to handle. This material it's like oil. You have it on your fingers, you have it on the cables, you have it on the table, you have it everywhere. So I'm hoping to find better materials that are easier to handle. And this is our plan for the next immersion cooling setup, to use BitCool by Engineered Fluids. So I'll keep you updated. I will use a bigger system and try to cool the FPGAs. So stay tuned.